Hello everyone, I'm Eruben Thillior, professional alchemist, and welcome to our tutorial on how to set up VTS P.O.G with Google Cloud TTS. Google Cloud TTS is part of Google's big umbrella of cloud services. They are services aimed for developers/companies, so the setup can be a bit of a pain in the butt, but once that is out of the way, the service is really good and quite cheap. It's a pay-what-you-use service, but they start charging you after you surpass a milestone of usage, which is really hard to surpass. I'm going to leave in the description below the calculator. Keep in mind the calculator calculates in the millions of characters sent to the TTS each month. So in most cases, most months, the service should be free. If not, you are going to pay probably less than $1. With that out of the way, let's go into the setup itself. It's a pain in the butt, so keep in mind it's going to be a lot of really awful steps. So if you go to the first link I have in the description below, or I mentioned in the docs, this is what you're going to see. This is the message you're going to get the first time you open Google Cloud's console. This screen may vary a lot depending if you use Google Cloud before, your country, your status of your Google account. I'm using this account that I barely have used for any services before, so it's close as possible to the new user experience, but your experience may be a little bit different, so keeping that in mind. In case anything differs, you can't find any of the steps, feel free to contact me through Discord DMs, Twitter DMs, Blue Sky DMs at Eruben or VTS P.O.G accounts, or through the official VTS P.O.G Discord server. Here we're going to select our country. I live in Argentina, so this is fine. I'm going to accept the terms of services. Let's agree and continue. And we're going to go to just click here in Google Cloud. This is what you're going to see once you are properly logged in. I'm going to click here in select project. I'm going to create a new project. I'm going to name it VTS P.O.G. No organization is fine. I'm going to click create. We're going to wait until the project is created. We're going to get this green message here. And with that, we're going to select the active project as VTS P.O.G. Now that we are in the correct project, we're going to click here on the search. I'm going to type text to speech. Make sure to click text to speech and not speech to text. Here we're going to see this. I'm going to click enable. When we do that, we're going to get this awful message that says we need to set up our billing. That's normal. We're going to click enable billing. We're going to click here on create billing account. Here we're going to check that we are in the right account. In this case, I'm the VTS P.O.G account. Country is correct. I'm going to click agree and continue. Here you need to complete your contact information and your payment method. Once we complete, we're going to click start free. Once your payment is verified, they're going to ask you how we are going to use the service. Just click other TTS. I'm sure I don't see my answer. Perfect. Done. With the billing done, we're going to get back to the Cloud Text to Speech API and we're going to click enable. Sometimes it will ask you again to set up your billing and link your billing to your current account. I have some screenshots of that on the description below in the doc I made. Without click enable, I'm going to be directed to this screen. Here I should say disable API, which means the API is currently enabled. Everything almost ready to be able to use it with VTS P.O.G. We're only missing now the API key, so we're going to go here to credentials. We're going to click here up top, create credentials, and we're going to click API key. We're going to name the API key VTS P.O.G, leave everything else as that, and we're going to click here in restrict key. I want to click here text to speech API. I'm going to click in the checkbox and click OK. Let's click create. Our API key will be shown here. You don't want to share this with anyone. It's going to be blurred in the video, so we're going to click here to copy it. Now here in VTS P.O.G, we're going to select Google TTS as our service of choice. I'm going to click here in Google Cloud key and paste our key there. Let's test DTS.
P.O.G Online Poggers.
Perfect. And with that, we should be ready to go. Another important disclaimer, so if any of the screens also looks different and you are not using Google Chrome as your browser, I got some reports from some users that sometimes the UI, the buttons can be a bit out of place in some other browsers, more so browsers that are Chromium based but they are not Chrome. If that's your case, do the setup in Chrome and then you should be fine. Thank you so much for watching the video till here. If you have any further questions and issues, contact me through DMs anywhere you see me or VTS P.O.G, which is Blue Sky, Twitter, or Discord. YouTube comments are also fine, and the safest place is always the VTS P.O.G Discord server. You can go to support and make a thread there if you have any further issue, problem, or question. See you guys next time, and bye bye.